Welcome to Gundam Base Sydney. We're in Broadway Shopping Centre. We've got about 10 minutes before the doors open and this line is absolutely massive. I'm reporting here live from the line, which is now wrapping all the way downstairs at Broadway Shopping Centre to the ground floor.
To see the amount of people here, it's pretty cool.
How amazing is it to see Broadway Shopping Centre just absolutely covered in Gundam?
We have to drive down from Canberra today.
Oh, you come from Canberra?
Yep. I travelled all the way from Melbourne. So
wow.
Yeah, very excited for this.
What exactly are you the most excited for today?
I'm excited for the limited kits. Usually you can only get in Japan, but they've got it here. And I'm also excited to meet everyone here. Meet fellow Gundam fans.
What are you excited for today?
Some of the exclusive kits they've got here, some of the kits from Japan you can't really get anywhere else.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. People have rushed in here and immediately have grabbed an armful of boxes and things are selling really quick. It's super exciting and the line is still as far as the eye can see. So it's a big day here at Gundam Base in Sydney, Broadway. Did you get what you wanted?
I did. I got exactly 10 of exactly what I wanted.
This is the first of 3 drops. There's going to be 2 more. On Saturday, more limited edition things are coming through. So make sure you get here and you get here early on Saturday. The Gundam Base World Tour pop-up has taken over Broadway in Sydney over 4 levels. There are so many exciting things happening. Screenings, workshops, limited edition drops. The whole of the shopping centre has been transformed and we are so excited. We've got the stamp rally here at Gundam Base where you can collect a stamp from each floor. You're going to collect 4 stamps and then you get a special prize. At the very top level of Broadway Shopping Centre, we have the Gunpla free workshop where you can come and make some Gunpla. And the most exciting thing is you get a free Gundam. This part here is for beginners, but just beyond there in those cabinets are all the entrants into the Gundam Builders World Cup. There's some incredibly creative entrants in there. And there's something for everyone here at Broadway at Gundam Base. It's on till the 12th of October. Please come down and check it out. There are multiple drops about to happen. Gundam takes over Sydney.